बात करें मणिकर्णिका को लेकर विवाद भी बहुत हो रहे हैं अभी हाल में ही वन ऑफ द लीजेंड डायरेक्टर फ्रॉम द साउथ इंडस्ट्री क्रिश he claimed that the film is directed by him and Kangana has taken the credit because she shot only one close up and she's saying she is the one who directed it. What's your take on that?
Well, honestly, I've not followed this news very closely because I've been parallelly extremely caught up with promoting Thakre. But I think the good part is that the film is a hit. It's been loved. Kangana's work is being loved and everybody's presence has been appreciated. So I'm sure everybody will benefit from the success of the film.
Okay, एक और आपने अभी कुछ दिन पहले एक स्टेटमेंट दिया है where you said कि you are considered for a film, then somebody else, some star kid came in the picture and you are asked to leave. If you can comment on that. और अब आपको क्यों लगा ये जरूरत है क्योंकि अब लोग बोलने लगे हैं, कहने लगे हैं बात. I'm like you can throw some light on that.
Well, actually, बहुत अच्छी बात है कि हम ऐसे आज एक समाज में जीते हैं जहाँ पे डिप्लोमेटिक होके जीना is supposed to be not so much it's not so much in trend, I guess, and it's not about trend. I guess it's not appreciated anymore. Diplomacy is good to an extent, but people are gathering the courage to talk about experiences that can help others and use platforms strong such as the media to bring about issues that can really help others. So yes, I had mentioned in the course of मेरे जब मैं interviews दे रही थी तो मैंने ये जिक्र किया था कि मुझे एक फिल्म में replace किया था because some sugar daddy had picked up the phone and one of his relatives was cast instead of me, which is okay, that's fine with me. मुझे उससे कोई problem नहीं थी, but मेरा बस इतना था कि director ने मुझे मैसेज करना चाहिए था या अच्छे तरीके से प्रोफेशनली कम्युनिकेट करना चाहिए था कि बिकॉज ऑफ वॉट एवर रीजन्स नॉट दिस फिल्म बट मे बी विल अप्रोच यू फॉर द नेक्स्ट फिल्म. बट जब डायरेक्टर से कोई मैसेज नहीं आया या कुछ नहीं, मुझे पता भी नहीं था और ऐसे अक्सर होता है. सो द वे दे डू इट इज़ अ लिटिल डिसअपॉइंटिंग एंड इट हर्ट्स. या that's all I had to say.
Do you have responsible nepotism because of your absence since last 7 or 8 years? Do you have nepotism responsible for that?
Well, I will not say that. It will be very unfair to say that. I think talent is something is very important to survive in the industry. Of course, there could be like some opportunities that you can miss out on because definitely star kids and the way they can promote themselves or they can network at another level, that's not comparable. I mean, you can't compare that to a rank outsider who comes with no connections, which is normal actually. It's not their fault. I think the way I look at it is they are destined with that silver spoon or the golden spoon. We have to work harder, but eventually it's talent. Yeah.
Thank you.
अमृता, मोदी जी का आगे बजट है, क्या उम्मीद है आपकी? क्या करना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए बॉलीवुड के?
बजट इतने सारे लोग जाके दो बार मोदी जी से मिलते हैं तब जाके जीएसटी कम किया उन्होंने टिकट का.
हाँ.
आपकी क्या उम्मीद है?
वेल, फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से हूँ तो ऑब्वियसली मुझे लगता है कि फिल्म जब बनती है तो इट इज़ अ वेरी अनप्रिडिक्टेबल मीडियम. कभी कभी बहुत अच्छी फिल्में बनती है, पब्लिक एक्सेप्ट नहीं करती. सो इट इज़ अ रिस्क फॉर एवरीबडी हु इज़ इन्वॉल्व विद दैट प्रोजेक्ट. सो नेवरदलेस जब टिकट के प्राइसेस कम होते हैं या फिर कोई जीएसटी या ऐसे एप्लीकेबल टैक्सेस कम होते हैं तो it is a big relief for an industry because this is not a very secure industry. It comes with a it is a very obscure and it comes with a price tag to so
Inspecting what you want, like what exactly you eyeing from the government in the budget. Do you want to decrease the tax or GST? GST already had been reduced.
The tax, I mean, like I said, like tax हो या मतलब ये सारे applicable taxes है, it will definitely be in the favor because like I said, that we come from an industry where it is not guaranteed that this film will earn so much of money. So what you invest in terms of the principal amount, it's not guaranteed कि ये हमको benefit मिलेगा. So अगर taxes कम होते हैं तो हमको उसका फ़ायदा definitely होता है. Otherwise it becomes like a very big deal for people to make such investments, and it definitely affects the entertainment industry on the larger scale. So
Thank you, Amrita.
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you so much.